This is Ray FX. Welcome back to my channel. I did a video on two confluences entry, the moving average and the MACD. If you haven't watched that video, go and search it out and watch it. It is a very profitable strategy. I'm going to be adding another confluence to that strategy, and this is what I call the bearish and the bullish momentum strategy. Price retraces to the moving average zone. Here the MACD turns from positive to negative, and I still entered because of the signal I am getting on the second indicator's window. I call this zone the overbought zone and this zone the oversold zone. If you look at it, the red signal here is what I call the bearish signal, while the green signal is what I call the bullish signal. The bearish signal is on the oversold zone and not repenting. In other words, when the screen is moved from the left hand side to the right hand side, the signal does not leave the oversold zone. And at the same time, the bullish momentum, which is a green signal, is slightly above 50 level. That tells us that the bullish momentum is high compared to the bearish momentum. The bullish momentum is higher than the bearish momentum, and when I see these signals in addition to the signals I gave to you in my previous video, and now dived into the market and placed some buys position. So let's just watch and see how it plays out. Let's see how it buys all the way to the moon. In my previous videos, I also taught you how to use the Fibonacci retracement to get your SLs and your TPs. So let me insert my customized Fibonacci retracement tools here, and let's just see how far this market will be going to the moon. So here we have it this way with the zero mark here. If you have not watched my previous video when I talked about the Fibonacci retracement, you should go back and search it out. All my strategy are high probability strategy. They are very profitable. So here, this is a late entry. If I had entered earlier, TP1 would have been hit and TP2 would have been hit. This is a scalping strategy. Mind you, this is M5. One candle here is equivalent to 5 candles on the M1. So let's just see how far it goes, despite the fact that this is a late entry. Remember the conditions for placing a buy: the bearish momentum, which is the red signal, should be on the oversold zone here and not repenting. In other words, it does not leave the zone when you move the price to and fro. Then the bullish momentum should be above 50, indicating that the bullish momentum is higher. The buy momentum is higher than the sell momentum. Then the zoom level is the second zoom level from the smallest. You pinch it out once and then two, as we'll wait for the price to buy all the way to the moon. Let me give you the settings. This settings is a paid settings, it's not a free setting. I'm not going to be just to those that have paid for these settings. I'm not going to be just to them because some persons have already paid for it. But for the sake of the growth of this channel, I would be giving it for free, just for free. And for you to continue enjoying more paid strategies for free, you have to share my video. You have to give me a thumbs up so that the video can be recommended to other traders. This is a paid strategy, just giving it to you for free. I'm giving it to you for free. So all I need from you is to share this video, so that it can get to as many traders as possible. Help to build this channel by sharing this video, giving me a thumbs up. Okay, the settings here, we have the stochastic. So this, you can take a screenshot. This settings gives us the overbought and the oversold zones. This settings gives us the overbought and the oversold zone. You can just pause it and then take a screenshot. Then for the bullish signal, we have it as the Williams percentage range period 200. Williams percentage range period 200. Then for the green or the bearish signal, we have it as MACD fast EMA 1, slow EMA 200, MACD SMA 1 apply to close. Then main should be same color as your background, the background of your chart. Then while the signal is red, as I've earlier said, this signal is something some persons have paid for it or has paid for, but I'm giving it just for free. In return, share this video. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up. So let's just hold on and see as this trade plays out. Let's see how it plays out. This market is in deep profit. TP3 in a bit, and probably TP4 will be hit. So let's still watch how it goes. How it plays out. Okay, let's watch as it hits TP3. As TP3 gets damaged, as TP3 gets brutalized, as TP3 gets vandalized, as TP3 is destroyed, going, and it is gone. TP3 is damaged. So for the sake of the duration of this video, I would want to end it here, but I strongly believe that this will buy all the way to the moon. It will buy all the way to the moon. Stay tuned to this channel for profitable strategy. Stay tuned for high probability strategy. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, do that right away, and remember to click the notification bell so that you can get notified as soon as I drop another profitable strategy. See you in my next video. Keep sharing, Keep watching, keep liking. See you in my next video. Bye bye. TP3 damaged, TP3 vandalized, TP3 brutalized. We're on our way to TP4. We're on our way all the way to the moon. Bye bye.